Title of the poem is Matilda, who told lies and was burned to death. This poem gives the moral that not to speak lie. A lie causes pain and harm. Truth is always good. If we speak a lie once, it will make us to continue. It is much better to get punished by telling the truth than speak lie. This poem is written by Hilaire Belloc. He was a British French writer and historian. Belloc was an orator, poet, sailor, soldier, and political activist. Let's move to the poem. This is the introduction of this poem. Matilda told such dreadful lies, it made one gasp and stretch one's eyes. Her aunt, who from the earliest youth had kept a strict regard for truth, attempted to believe Matilda. The effort very nearly killed her, and would have done so had not she discovered this infirmity. Matilda was the girl who always told lies. Her lies were make others to stun their breath and were in the situation unable to recover from her lie. She stayed in her aunt's home. Her auntie was very strict regards for truth, and she tried to believe what that Matilda said, but all the efforts that she made will become illness. The stanza will explain what the lie that Matilda said. For once, towards the close of day, Matilda, growing tired of play, and finding she was left alone, went tiptoe to the telephone and summoned the immediate aid, the London's noble fire brigade. Within an hour, the gallant band were pouring in on every hand, from Putney, Hackney, Downs, and Bow. With courage high and hearts aglow, they galloped, roaring through the town. Matilda House is burning down, inspired by British chiefs and loud, proceeding from the frenzied crowd. They ran their ladders through a score of windows on the ballroom floor, and took peculiar pains to souse the pictures up and down the house, until Matilda's aunt succeeded in showing them they were not needed, and even then she had to pay to get the men to go away. On one day evening, Matilda was left alone in her home. She slowly went near the phone and called for immediate aid to turn off the fire. She called to London's noble fire brigade. Within 1 hour, a band full of courageous and helpful people reached Matilda House. They were in great numbers. So many people came from various cities like Putney, Hackney, Down, and Bow. They shouted that Matilda House was burning from his heart with full of courageous. Their sounds reached all the crowd. They also ready to help. By using of ladder through the window, they sprayed the water to ballroom. Ballroom means a large hall. Matilda's aunt understood that they were not needed because Matilda told a lie that the house was burned. Her aunt paid the men to go away. From this stanza, the poem explains what the harmful incident happened to Matilda by his lie. It happened that a few weeks later, her aunt was off to the theatre to see that interesting play, The Second Mrs. Thackeray. She had refused to take her niece to hear this entertaining piece, a deprivation just and wise. to punish her for telling lies. That night a fire did break out. You should have heard Matilda shout. You should have heard her scream and bawl, and through the window up and call to people passing in the street. The rapidly increasing heat encouraging her to abandon their confidence, but all in vain, for every time she shouted fire, they only answered little liar, and therefore when her aunt returned, Matilda and the house were burned. After a few days, Matilda Aunt was going to the theatre to see an interesting play. The second Mrs. Thankweary was the name of that play. Arthur Wing Pennyrow was the author of that play. Matilda Aunt was left here alone in home to punish for her lie. At night, really, her house was got burning. Matilda shouted, screamed, and cried loudly, and through the window she called the people who were in the street. She made a loud voice to abandon the concentrate of others, but all would end in waste. Whenever she shouted fire, all the people thought that she was a little liar. And finally, when her aunt reached the home, Matilda and the house were burned. Moral of the poem: not to speak lie in any time. If we speak lie means it will make us very trouble. Thank you.